Think starting a garden costs hundreds of dollars? Think again. Many beginner gardeners spend way too much money before they even plant their first seed. The truth is, you can start a productive garden for around $20 using a few smart shortcuts. Whether you have a backyard, balcony, patio, or even a sunny window, I'll show you exactly how to get started without breaking the bank. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to build a huge garden right away. More plants mean more soil, more watering, more maintenance, more opportunities to fail. Instead, start with just a few plants. A small garden is easier to manage and much less expensive. Remember, a successful small garden beats an abandoned large one every time. You don't need expensive raised beds. 5-gallon buckets from hardware stores work great. Storage totes can become garden beds. Even recycled containers can grow vegetables successfully. Just make sure they have drainage holes. You can often create your entire container setup for under $10. A single tomato plant can cost several dollars. A packet of tomato seeds may contain dozens of plants. For beginners on a budget, seeds provide the best value. Some of the easiest vegetables to grow from seed include lettuce, green beans, radishes, spinach, cucumbers. A few seed packets can provide months of harvests. Not every plant is beginner-friendly. Start with crops that forgive mistakes. Some great options include basil lettuce, green onions, spinach, bush beans. These plants grow quickly and help build confidence. The faster you see results, the more likely you'll stick with gardening. Want to stretch your budget even further? Use kitchen scraps. Green onions can regrow multiple times. Lettuce and celery often regrow from the base. Potatoes can sprout into new plants. This is one of the easiest ways to increase your garden without spending extra money. Many beginners think they need expensive grow lights. Most vegetables simply need sunlight. Look for a location receiving 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day. A sunny balcony or patio can be surprisingly productive. Before buying equipment, use the free resources nature already provides. Here's an example of how $20 can get you started. 5-gallon bucket, about $5. Potting mix, about $8. Seed packets, about $4. Hand trowel, about $3. Total, roughly $20. And that's enough to start growing food at home. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on learning. Every successful gardener started somewhere. Your first garden won't be perfect, and that's okay. The goal is simply to begin. Starting a garden doesn't have to be expensive. With a few containers, some seeds, and a little patience, you can begin growing your own food for around $20. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Soil to Harvest for beginner gardening tips, backyard DIY projects, budget-friendly gardening ideas, and simple ways to grow more while spending less. And let me know in the comments. If you had $20 to start a garden, what would you grow first?